Well, what's up YouTube? It is Saturday. We got some cool stuff up here today. I'll show you the best first. But today was supposed to be cutting up on a car to fix a spot. But yesterday, Preston and Garrett come rolling in the Danger Ranger, right? And anyway, the Danger Ranger's here. He had a front brake caliper lock up on him. Not a big deal. I mean, it sucks. It is what it is. So we're gonna take it over to the garage and fix whatever's wrong with it. Caliper, slide pins, pads, rotors, whatever he needs, he's gonna fix it. Take it over there and fix it. We do have something else cool in here. I'm not even gonna show you right now what else is in here. But we're gonna take this Ranger. Man, I'm old, shit. My hip hurts today. We're gonna take the Ranger over here and we're gonna start tearing it apart. And then when we come back, we're gonna mess with the S2000. This thing's for sale too if anybody wants it. It's actually straight. The guy, it had a wrap on it and they took the wrap off and that's kind of what was underneath. Then the people that bought it like this. So anyway, there's a spot in the trunk where the roof had leaked that we got to fix because they're selling it and they think that's kind of pulling people away from it. So we're gonna work on that too today after we get this done. So we're gonna take this over there, get it done, come back, start on S2000. We're gonna finish it tomorrow for sure. Well, that's the plan, is to work on it today, finish it tomorrow. But we have a car meet to go to today at 5 o'clock. So we're gonna get as much as done as we can by about 4. And then at 4 o'clock, I will start probably cleaning the car. I'll probably bring it up here, vacuum it out, things like that. And yeah, go from there. So actually what I might do is take this up there and see what we need, get the parts ordered. I might have actually bring me back here and get the car and take it up there and vacuum it. I don't know. Anyway, stay with us, see what we get done. But we're definitely got a car meet today. Should be pretty cool, so stick with us. All right, so we're doing a caliper on this little Ranger here. He's not doing a rotor, but let's put some grease on this rotor here. I'm just kidding. So this is the slide pin area for these Rangers. His brake stuck. The caliper seemed to compress, but we want to make sure that it's good. So caliper was cheap enough. He wanted to go ahead and just put one on it. So that's what we did. But anyway, these slot pins are weird, but we're gonna grease these things up, clean them out real good. I took a wire brush and cleaned them out. They were pretty gunked up, so that's probably what it was doing. These slot pins are made strange. They're not bolts, they're literally like, they slide in. They got little hooks right there. So new caliper, he's gonna use the same brakes and stuff. I want to put a little bit more grease on this, some grease on the other, and also some grease on the slide pins. Just a slight coating. Sounds like I'm putting a lot, but I mean, you can tell it's not gunked up or nothing. Just a little slight coat there. So let's get it on there. All right, so I seen the Ranger start rolling. I was like, oh no, is Preston still in that thing? Cause yeah, that would've been bad. But we got the Ranger done. The key's in it. All right, so we got the Ranger done. We're gonna pull that thing in and then we'll be good to go for today. So we're gonna go home and start tearing apart that S2000 and see what we can figure out on it. So stick with us. Look at this dog. Hold on, I'm facing you toward me. Look at this dog. See if she gets it.
Get it.
Come on, lady, get it.
Forget it.
You not gonna get it? There it is.
Get it.
She's like, I'm wet now, so whatever.
Scared to take a bath. She'll play with water.
All right, let's go up here and work on this S2000. I'm actually going to put some fuel in this thing right fast, so we good to go for tonight. So let's get some fuel in this, and that way we can sit here in the shade and cool off. It's been in the sun, it's really hot. So put some fuel in it, go up here and work on this S2000 some. All right, let me show you what we're working with here. So this thing, they bought it, I think, for a pretty good deal. I don't know what they gave for it. It was in pieces when they got it. They had to put the interior and everything back together. The top leaked on it, so they have a little issue in the trunk here, and we're going to cut it out and put a piece of metal in it. So let me show you what we got going on here and what our plans are. This is the issue. So the top leaked and got in here, so we're going to come in here, and I'm going to find probably right in here and cut across here. I'm going to cut across here, here, and I got some metal back there, and we'll put a piece of cardboard there, measure it, draw it out, and then we'll stick a piece of metal back in there and we'll weld it up. I don't know how long we'll be working on this. I got about 3 hours before we got to go there, so we may get it done, we may not. Just depends on what's going on. I'm gonna look under the car, so I got my trusty light, and we're gonna see what's going on underneath and see what we can and can't cut. It does have these drain hole plugs right here, right? So I'm gonna see if we can get those out and put them in the new piece that we put in. We might even do something as far as taking this piece of metal that's flat here and might tilt it a little bit. They might tilt it a little bit so the water will kind of drain down if it does get water in it, which it shouldn't, because they did put a top on it, so I don't think it leaks anymore or anything. But somebody's put new gas tank stuff in it, fuel tank stuff. So anyway, let's get to work. Let's get this cut out. My plan is I'm going to go like right here and drill a hole here, drill a hole here, drill a hole, and here drill a hole, and that way I just get a sawzall and cut that out. So that's the plan. I have a small air saw that has small blades on it. I don't think I have any blades, so I'm gonna drill a little bit bigger hole than I would normally do, but I'll use a step bit. We'll drill it, stick the blade down in there, and cut this out. So I'm gonna look underneath and see what there is that I can or can't do in case there's something under there I don't want to cut, you know what I'm saying? So let's look under it. So as you can see, there's nothing under here other than the exhaust. There's no wiring, no nothing. There's a sway bar back there, but I don't think we're even gonna be close to that. So let's get this cut out, fix this piece of metal here. What's up, y'all? Listen to that. We got some Adam Calhoun back there in the background. Hold on a minute, let me turn this. All right, so we got the car cleaned up. I gotta put the floor mats in it. Shut the garage door, turn the water off. I'm gonna go in, take a shower. If I can get my garage door closed. Take a shower and we'll head out. Probably leave here, probably closer to 5 before we leave here, but look at here. We got her cleaned up. Ain't the best. I pretty much just sprayed it off with a,